Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Zoom screen sharing has failed to start error code 105035. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Zoom, click Uninstall. Open any browser. Type Zoom download in browser search bar. Click Download Center. Right-click, click Copy Link Address. Simply paste it. Type XP in the Zoom installer. Press Enter key. Open downloaded file. Click Sign In. Check automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. Click Share Screen. Click Share. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.